Ngiyaseke ukupapa this year.
They wanna see how we in. I tell them thanks for none. I used to ball on budget. Now I go hard as none. I'm going off the summer, no cap, my nigga, it's all or none. Niggas go
Skits.
for months.
Ma-Airtime.
Yeah, ngifile.
What are you doing?
Sibiya ngapha awenza ujuice le hlafuna khona le kuzoba generation.
That was all for you, bro. Yeah, you can take your... Bro, slow down.
And then,
Oh no, this is my roommate address. Ma-Airtime, this is my sister. Lelo, this is Ma-Airtime.
to our home. I mean, look at this guy. A-Reece? Do you know what A-Reece stands for? Gangsters. Who still has this cutting, these lines on their heads at this 21st century? He's even wearing naked girls on his shirt. Pervert! Ripped jeans? Seriously, Spare?
He's also wearing ripped jeans.
I'm a girl. What do you mean? If you're gonna bring friends over, at least ababe bahle. Useless. Useless!
Bro, don't mind her. I think she's adopted. That's my little sister, Lelo.
Man, yazi mina ngake ngabona ukuthi mina nawe singazwana singasondelana yazi kunento echazayo la yini emndenini wakini.
Why are you going with this?
Hayi ngindawo ngisholo ukuthi yazi utheme ekhuluma ngeze ukuthi hayi no uyayithola indawo la mina nawe.
Get the fuck away from my sister, bro.
awukwazi phela ukuthi fucking mina awukwazi ukuthi fucking mina awukwazi phela ukuthi fucking mina.